Okay, in this DVD, the first pentatonic shape we're going to be looking at is the third position E minor pentatonic scale. Now what we're going to do with this is we're going to be looking at it in two parts of the guitar, and I'm going to start up higher up on the guitar and then play it lower down. So here's the position and then we'll break it down. Okay, so we've got 17 to 19 on the low E, then the same on the A, and then the same on the D. Then we've got 16 to 19 on the G string, then 17 to 20 on the B string, then 17 to 19 on the high E. And then same notes but just in the reverse order coming back down. Starting on 19 on the high E string, we've got 19 to 17, 20 to 17 on the B, then we've got 19 to 16 on the G, then 19 to 17 on the D, same on the A, and the same on the low E. Okay, now this can also be played lower down on the guitar, starting on the 5th fret of the low E string, playing exactly the same scale shape, and it should look like this. Okay, and the frets for that are 5 to 7 on the low E, 5 to 7 on the A, then 5 to 7 on the D, then we've got 4 on the G up to 7 on the G, then 5, 8 on the B, then 5, 7 on the high E. And like the higher position, we're just going to use the same notes coming back down. So 7 to 5 on the high E, 8, 5 on the B, 7, 4 on the G, then we've got 7, 5 on the D, same on the A string, and the same on the low E. Okay, now what I'm going to do is just play both those position shapes, first starting on the 17th fret on the low E, and then down on the 5th fret on the low E over a backing track, just so you can hear it in a musical context. So here it is. Okay, now we're going to take a more bluesy look at that, where we're going to be adding in the flat 5, and it's going to look like this. Okay, so using the same structure as before, we're just adding in the flat 5 note. So we're going to be playing 17, 18, 19 on the low E string, then 17, 19 on the A, then we've got 17, 19, 20 on the D, then we've got 16, 19 on the G, 17, 20 on the B, then we've got 17, 18, 19 on the high E. And then same notes coming down, 19, 18, 17 on the high E, then 20, 17 on the B, 19, 16 on the G, then 20, 19, 17 on the D, 19, 17 on the A, and then 19, 18, 17 on the low E. Okay, we can do that on the octave lower as well, adding in the same notes, so let's see how that sounds. Okay, so that's 5, 6, 7 on the low E string, 5, 7 on the A, then 5, 7, 8 on the D, then we've got 4 to 6 on the G, sorry, 4 to 7, Then we've got 5 to 8 on the B, then 5, 6, 7 on the high E string. So exactly the same pattern. And then coming down, same notes again. Okay, now I'm going to demonstrate the pentatonic scale, adding the flat 5 in over the backing track so you can hear it in a musical context. Here it is. Okay, as you can see from the demonstration, I'm just literally going up and down each of the positions, just really getting a feel for the normal position and then adding that flat 5 in as well in both positions. Now it's really good having this option of being able to play it high up the guitar or low down because it depends on where else you might be playing where you can include this scale. So you might be playing second position or fifth position or something like that, and you've got the third position in the middle, so you can start to connect up the whole guitar when you're improvising, which is really important.